Baby Train cartoon.
London Bridge is falling down.